What happens if you feed a drinking bird alcohol? This experiment compares the drinking rate, time per one full engine cycle, of two identical bird devices. But the glass on the left is filled with 70% isopropyl alcohol, whereas the glass on the right contains tap water. After wetting the tops of both birds, we count how many times each one takes a drink over a 5-minute duration, shown at x6 speed. This classic physics toy is a functional heat engine where cooling by evaporation at the head/beak provides the operating temperature difference. Isopropyl alcohol has a more rapid evaporation rate than water for room temperature and low humidity, so which bird will win?